These are the silicone bum inserts that I created quite a while ago and have been using for a long time on my silicone cloth body babies. They can be used on vinyl cloth body babies as well. They give the bum a bit of squish and a bit of weight to it. These two are of a different shape and these two are of a different shore. This one has less bottom to it, and this is poured in an EcoFlex 20. So quite a bit of squish, but not so big. It just gives a bit of weight. So these two, this one is a EcoFlex 20 and this one is a marshmallow. So this one, when you squish it, it's squishy and it has good weight to it. But this one is extremely squishy. So where this one would give a bit of a firmer bum, this would give a much squishier feel. So if you see there, this here is meant for the back, so it gives the back a bit of structure. And then this here goes in between the legs right at the crotch, so it allows for the bum insert to stay in place. So I'm going to show you what it looks like in a cloth body. So I'll take the really squishy one and just insert it through the neck. It goes right in there. And you have to make sure that the little piece here goes right at the crotch, and then it centers it. And so you have a bum. Now the firmer or more backside you want, the more polyfill you would stuff it with. So I'm gonna really stuff it here. Push it down. And the more polyfill, the more that little bottom comes out. And the great thing about the back is that the structure in the back stays. So you have this nice little round tushy that squishes real nice, but then the back shape still stays and is nice for cupping. And then this little piece here goes in the crotch area. It causes it to stay. Now, you have to make sure you have the polyfill against the silicone so that your silicone leg flanges don't rub up against it, or your vinyl leg flanges don't rub up against it. But if you do that, then you got a nice little tush. And there's that. Also too, with a silicone bum, it adds about 180 grams of weight to your newborn. So sometimes it's really difficult to achieve a heavy baby just using weighting materials. So the nice thing is this adds a proportionate weight down here at the bottom to give a real newborn weight.